Hello, I'm Tim Pennington, editor of Products Finishing Magazine, and here's your top news from the finishing world for the week of April 10th. The Parts Cleaning Conference just completed in Cleveland at the Precision Machining Technology Tradeshow, and our Angela Osborne gives us a quick look at some of the activities.
Hi, I'm Angela Osborne, managing editor of Products Finishing Magazine, and we're at PMTS 2019, which also includes the Parts Cleaning Conference. Let's take a look and see what's happening. You can read all about the show in Products Finishing Magazine and Precision Machining Magazine, and we'll see you in 2021.
Plastonics is a third-generation coating company in Hartford, Connecticut that was founded in 1959 by Robert Zimmerli Sr., and now it's celebrating its 60th anniversary. Zimmerli's son, Bob Zimmerli Jr., started working at Plastonics in 1973. Since Robert retired in 1988, Bob is now the owner and chief executive officer. His son Brian is the vice president of operations. Visit Plastonics.com. Bales Metal Surface Solutions has enhanced its in-house lab capabilities. The Downers Grove, Illinois shop enhanced the capabilities of its lab by bringing the testing for plating bath control operations in-house to provide more efficient tank analysis. Sarah Mortensen, Bales vice president, said the facility upgraded the lab equipment to allow for automated titration of the plating baths and acquired 2 atomic absorption spectroscopy machines. Visit balesusa.com. Tab Industries has launched a new powder coating division at its plant. The division features a complete coating line encompassing a pre-treatment 5-stage iron phosphate alkaline rinse and acid bath wash unit from Reliant Finishing Systems, and blasting capabilities for cleaning and rust removal to accommodate products up to 72 inches by 40 inches by 168 inches. Visit tabrapper.com. In our On the Move segment, Pneu-Mech Systems has appointed J.B. Graves as Special Project Manager. Graves will be Special Project Manager and responsible for sales development for large projects related to the automotive, electrocoat, autophoretic, robotics, and unique equipment industries. Our tech tip of the week is increasing bath life and quality of trivalent passivates in zinc plating. Asterion's Roger Sowinski says the use of proprietary organic pre-dips has been effectively utilized to extend the bath life and improve the overall quality of the finished part. Read how Roger gives this reader advice on getting more value out of their chemicals. Visit AsterionSTC.com. The innovation of the week is Vitracoat's handheld spectrophotometer that offers faster response times. Vitracoat partnered with a company that manufactures color reading instruments to develop a small handheld spectrophotometer that allows for instantaneous color comparison. It has an algorithm that not only reads the color, but also interfaces with Vitracoat's color database. Visit Vitracoat.com. Remember, you can read all of these stories at pfonline.com, where you can also sign up for our weekly newsletter that'll bring you all the latest finishing news and information to your inbox each week. I'm Tim Pennington with Products Finishing Magazine, and thank you for watching.